In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Brevo, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're looking to manage your growing email list or just starting out with Brevo, this step-by-step tutorial will provide you with everything you need to know. Let's dive right into it. First, the initial step is to navigate to the left-hand sidebar of your Brevo dashboard and click on Contacts. This is your central hub for managing all your contact information. Once you are on the contacts page, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Create a Contact button. Clicking this button is your starting point for entering new contacts manually into Brevo. Now let's get to the essential part. Filling in the contact details, you'll want to start with the email address as it's a required field. Optionally, you can also enter the first and last names. Brevo additionally provides an option for attributes or tags, which can be extremely helpful for categorizing your contacts based on different criteria that suit your business needs. For example, using tags like VIP or newsletter subscriber can help you better manage your communication strategies later on. After you've filled in all necessary information, the next step is to choose a list. Lists are useful for organizing your contacts into specific groups, which can be targeted with different campaigns. So, ensure you assign your new contact to the appropriate list. With all that completed, you'll simply click Save to add the contact to your database. Moving forward, if you're looking to add multiple contacts at once, Brevo provides an efficient tool for bulk uploads. First, click on Import Contacts to enter the import interface. Here, you'll want to select Upload a File, which is designed to handle your contact lists in CSV format. Prepare your CSV file with columns such as email, first name, last name, and any other custom fields like company or birthday that you might find relevant. When you're ready, upload the CSV file into Brevo. The next step in this process involves mapping the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding Brevo fields. This ensures that all the data transfers correctly to the right place in the system. Pay close attention during this part to avoid any mix-ups. Following this, you'll need to choose the list to which you'd like to add these newly imported contacts, ensuring they're organized the way you intend. The last step is to confirm the import. Review all the details one final time to make sure everything looks correct and then proceed with confirming. And there you have it, a seamless method of adding both individual and bulk contacts in Brevo. By following these steps, you'll manage your contact lists with ease, allowing your business's communications to run smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing.